Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing two Styrbar, one in silver, that's how you tell if it's silver, and the other one that's in white. It doesn't include, sorry, my dog is having some fun. It doesn't include the two AA batteries, and it's IP44 water resistant. So let's see what's in the box for the first one, which is the white one. So this also works with the IKEA Home Smart. Here's an idea of it. So you got the buttons, lower, upper. I presume this must come off, yeah. It comes with a little sticky, and then obviously you can mount that somewhere. And will this work? No, so anyways, I'll have to see what that looks like. Let's see if I got something here. No. Okay, so that's the white one. Boom, magnet. And then some user manuals. Yeah. Then next up, the silver one. So we have, this is the exact same model, just in silver. So just the front, the top part's silver. Looks like that. Looks like it leaves a bit of marks and fingers. But gives you an idea. Probably don't see the buttons as clearly. And then this part here comes off again, has a little sticky thing. This sticky thing goes there. And should be the same user manuals right here. Exactly the same. Otherwise, yeah, that is the Styrbar. If you guys have any comments or questions, drop it below and I will happily let you know my experience as I connect it to my IKEA home kit. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.